Hi everyone, this is the brief video on what we will do next, which is our game over condition and the UI. To know our game over condition and the UI, we need to ask something to ourselves. What is the goal of this game? Because this game is simple, I also create a simple goal. For me, it's score as much as possible in a turn. In this sentence alone, you can dig deeper on the condition. Take a look at in a turn sentence. It raises a question, right? The question is, how much lives in one turn? For me, I will put 3 lives for one turn. It's up to you if you want it to be only 1 life or 5 lives. Now we established our goal, we can try to imagine our game UI. This is our current game UI, the title, and the start button. When the user presses start button, it will start playing the basketball game. In our current condition, the score component is at the top center on the screen. It's because we doesn't have any element except the score component. But now we will add lives component, so we can relay out this. For me, I put it simple, score on the left and life on the right. Let's say the user will play the game right now and shoot the ball. And it scores. When the user scores, it will raise the score by 1. We already did this. And the second is when the user shoot and miss. In the previous condition, it will just respawn the ball at the random location. But now we will also reduce the life. Let's say the user miss again and the lives is 0. And what the game over screen? Again, I make it really simple. This is my game over screen, the title of the game, the score, and also the retry button. When user press retry, it will goes back to the start of the game with the score and lives already restored. That's it. Next we will create the lives component first. See you in the next video.